like a chat group, a community.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it will be like a something you can interact with live and videos, materials, chats, groups, something like that. I think it's more like that. Then the back end will be more like where you can connect with the database, storing the information of the student, their interaction with the platform, um, making sure the platform is working well. I think that's how it will be. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's a good idea. That's a good one. That's a good one. Now, did you guys work on a particular like document that highlighted some things to achieve at any point in time? Um, so I'm gonna have a call name now. I'm not putting you on the spot, no, just so that we can get rolling fast. I don't know, Babalola, if you can answer that. Did you guys use any document in the lessons that you did with success if you know? Okay.
Let me go ahead. We
Yes.
actually work on some documents.
Okay, fine, good.
We
Can,
worked on acceptance criteria for one of the use case
cool,
or a user for the platform we are building.
perfect. Can you please just tell me one other abstract criteria? If you don't have it now, I can come back to you. But if you can just tell me one of the acceptance criteria.
Okay, so my team worked on the super admin, and one of the acceptance criteria was given I'm logged in as a super admin, when I update a user information and click save, then the updated information is stored and displayed on the dashboard. That's
Perfect.
what.
Thank you very much, Nifemi. That was beautiful. Tammy, I don't know if you have an idea of anything in that document as well.
Oh, oh my God. No, no, please. So, basically, what really happened is that I think I have to be sincere. This is my first time of participating, and before today, I tried to like go back to some documents, like previous documents, so I can know where to start from, but I'm unable to access them, as well as some documents that was being uploaded or probably sent in the group as well last week and last 2 weeks. I'm unable to like access them. So it's just journal messages and stuff like that. And that was why I had to join today section just for me to have a proper understanding of what's going on.
All right,
I'm
that's
sorry
totally
about that.
fine. It's totally fine. I know everybody has one or two things, so that's fine.
Mhm.
So yeah, we'll start and we'll catch up and we'll be able to do it together. Adewale, do you have an idea of any of the requirement on the document?
Okay, so for me, I've not really. The truth is, I've not been um have the opportunity to join the meetings sincerely. I've always had shifts on Saturdays, but today I said no, no, I must, because I when you said we should download the VS Code and then the .NET, I said if I miss this meeting today, that means I'm going to miss a whole lot. So I just try to not go to work today, and I'm missing a lot. So I just try to connect today. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. Let me just listen. Okay. People should join because they're going to miss a lot. So we're doing hands-on this time around. Okay, now the reason I'm asking you about this document is very, very important that we move along with the document. Do you understand? If we don't move along with the documents, we will just be we'll just be moving. It's like you're driving and you're driving from you're just driving on the road. You're just driving. Where are you going to? You understand? You're just driving. You're just driving from you left your house in Oshodi. You're just driving. Where's your destination? You don't know. Okay. Are you supposed to pick somebody on the way? Do you have some checkpoints? Do you have some goods to pick along the way? If you don't follow that document, we'll just be going. So we really need to have a glance at the documents. You understand? And we will have a glance at the document before we dive too deep. But for now, let's even check our technical um, re- readiness. Let's check our technical readiness. How many of you are really interested in the hands-on coding? I mean, it's you don't have to want to be a coder, but maybe you want to see it, experience it, so that you can, you know, go and do more on your own. Maybe do some vibe coding or this. But how many of you are like interested? So I just want to know how many of you are interested in coding, or how many of you are interested in just understanding how the coding works? Okay, Babalola is interested. Yeah, just give me like thumbs. Let me see how many of you are quite interested in. Okay, Adewale, listen. Okay, Nifemi, what about you? Are you interested in coding, or you just want to have an idea so you can, break some other barriers? Okay, Nifemi is also there. Okay, and welcome Abdulkarim Uthman. Okay, fine. Now, how many of you have downloaded VS Code on your laptop? Okay, Babalola, Nifemi. Okay, Temi, Adewale. Fine. Abdul Karim. Hi. Can you hear us? Hi, Abdul Karim. Okay, Abdul Karim has left. All right. So let me. Okay, so since we've downloaded VS Code, I will. Let's start. Let's start showing some things, and let's start seeing how it goes, and I'll explain along the way. So again, we have to start with the. We have to do the. We have to like summarize the document again. But before we do, let's really check our readiness with what we want to do. Let's first of all check our readiness with a basic basic program first. Now, so I'll share my screen now, and all right, I'm sharing my screen now, and I know you can see my screen, so I'm not going to ask, can you see my screen? And you can see something there, and I'm going to close what I have, which is, how am I going to close this? What is this? Okay, yep, close folder. Yep. So I want you to open your VS Code, just like I've opened mine, right? And I'm not seeing you. If you can see my screen, right, I can't see the charts thing anymore. So it would be nice if you can just unmute your mic and tell me that you've opened it or you have an issue, so that we can carry everybody along and nobody should be left behind. So please open your VS Code, and when you've opened it, just unmute your mic and say done.
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 Okay. Okay, so I'm going to assume it's nice to hear that done. I haven't had only two done. I saw some thumbs up. I'm going to assume everybody has done that. Now this is what you see. Can you see? Can you see the same thing that I'm seeing? Do you have the same thing on screen that I'm seeing?
A bit
Yes, you saw
different,
the same thing.
Good,
but it's
thank you.
same thing.
What is different about it?
I think you have some stuff already done there, but
Thank
see,
you.
our own is more like fresh. We've not done anything the workarounds.
Yes, good. I should have used I should have used my system, my own coding system. Okay. I can't do that now. No problem. But you're right. You're right. Yes. I've done something, so you see a lot of some differences. But you're right. I should have actually used like a profile that did not have anything at all. So it would like just be like a profile like here, okay, guys. Anyway, you see at this you see this stats and you see new file open. You see this clone git repository. You might not see it, you might see it, right? Yes, you might see it, you might not see it. Do you see clone git repository?
I don't say it.
You don't see it, fine.
I don't see it.
Adewale, you don't see it. Nifemi, how about you?
I don't say it. Sir.
Temi, how about you?
No,
It's
though I'm
fine.
just trying to download my. I said this is my first time of participating. So,
Oh,
yeah, but I'll catch up. Don't worry. If I have questions, I will ask you if I'm lost.
okay. So forget about that git repo. Anyway, new file and open is fine. Forget about it. By your left hand side, you would see this. You see this search. You will not see this. You might not see it. You might see it, you might not see it. Don't bother. You should definitely see this. This is run and debug. Don't worry about it now. Everything will be explained. You might see this, you might not see this. Then you should see this extension. This extension is very, very important. Everybody must see this extension. If you don't see this extension, then we cannot do anything in this class, okay? You will see this extension. All these other ones, don't worry about this one. These are unique to me and what I do. So click on this extension and type as I'm typing, type C sharp. Type C sharp like this. See, this is called, what is this thing called in English? This, I don't know what it's called.
Hash.
Say again?
Hash. Hash.
Ash. Okay, ash. Yeah, okay, ash. Yes. Type C ash. Call it C sharp. Call it C sharp. Now, I'll give you a quick overview of C sharp. In fact, let me just share my whole screen. 1 second. Okay. This is the reason why I chose C sharp. We want to write a program. We can write any program. We can use anything to write a program at the end of the day, right? But this is the reason I chose C sharp, right? Favor is also a software engineer, and he would have a different language. Favor, what language do you use to write your code? Okay, he's going to come and tell us. So this is what C sharp does, right, guys? With one language, you can build a web. With that same language, you can build a mobile app and a desktop app. With that same language, you can build on cloud. With that same language, you can build your AI and your machine learning. Sounds too good to be true? Probably is. Look at it. With it, you can do game development. You can do backend API. You can do data. You can do a lot of things with just this language. That's why I'm using this as the language that we're going to use to learn. You don't need to use this forever. Most programmers know at least 2 or 3 languages. All the languages, like normal language that you speak, they kind of do similar thing, but you just have to do that mental um, pattern where you say, like you want to say, where are you going? And you want to say it in like Igbo, and then that maybe you in Igbo, just put it together and you can speak it. It's fine. Do you understand? So that's why we're using .NET. That's why we're using C sharp as a language. I'm not going to explain some things now, but as we go along, and we are going to understand why some things were done Yes, I won't forget some of those things to explain. Okay, so now C sharp, you should see this C sharp dev kit and this C sharp, right? Just install this one. Just you see install button here. Click on this C sharp dev kit. See, so we call this C sharp actually, like C sharp, like C and then sharp. So I know it sounds like C hash, but it's actually called C sharp. So install this C sharp dev kit and let me know when you've installed it. And it would be nice for us to work from someone's system. I think it would be nice for us to work from someone's system instead of my system. Let's work from Nifemi. Have you downloaded it? You have VS Code and you have VS Code, right?
Yes, I do.
Let's work from your system. Let's work on everybody's system so that we'll all be so that you guys can do it hands on, not just looking at me.
Okay. I
Also,
should share my screen.
yes, please, Nifemi, share your screen.
All right. Is
Okay.
it visible?
Yes, it's visible. Thank you. Fine, you've done that. Perfect. Oh, installing. Okay, it's almost done. Now, while it's installing, Nifemi, let's do a quick experiment. Let me even show you what is a programming language actually. What is a programming language? Let's start from the beginning. The most popular programming language that you guys know, although it is not a programming language, it is a markup language. But to give you an idea what a programming language is, Nifemi,
Okay.
go to your look at that file at the top. Oh, in fact, you've done what I wanted you to do. Index.html. Open that index.html. Fine, fine. So this index.html, were you the one that did it yourself?
Yeah. You sent a video in the chat, so I just followed one of the videos.
Okay. Now, how many people have done this kind of index.html? Okay. Let's run this. Nifemi, can you open this index.html on your browser? We'll come back to this. Don't worry, we'll come back to this.
Okay.
Come back to
So
this. Just leave it for now. Open that one on your browser, yeah?
how do I open to my browser?
Right click on that index.html at the top. Right click on it. No,
Okay.
yes, right click on it. You're calling me? Why are you calling me?
Open where?
Mommy is busy now. I'm also doing something, okay? Okay then. Okay, hold on. Please, Kara, can you go downstairs? Kara, can you go down? Thank you. Okay, let's do this. Okay, click on that revealing finder. Yes, okay, now double click on this. Okay, fine. Guys, would you think that this is what programming language does? Would you believe that? Now, Nifemi, go back to that your VS Code. Type another thing after that hello world. Okay, save it. Save it. So if you want to save, right, just press Command S, or you go to File at the top. Go to File at the top. Yeah, click on Save. Just click on Save. Yep. Now go to that browser. Now refresh. That is it. Hello world. Good morning. So as you are, right, you're kind of writing code. Really, really, really. Honestly. Now let's do something. Let's do something else. How many people are familiar with HTML? How many people are strong in HTML? How many people have done HTML before? Just to give you, let me know how to, whether I should go slow or I should go fast. Nifemi, have you done HTML? Are you very strong in HTML or you're just learning it?
I'm just learning.
Okay, Adewale, how about you?
I've done HTML before.
Okay, so you are very strong in it.
I've left it for a while.
Let's do a refresher course then. Tell me, are
Okay.
you catching up with us?
Just learning, please.
Okay, but have you downloaded VS Code as well?
Yes, I'm trying to sign in now.
Okay, good. Who else is on the call? Let me see. Babalola, how about you?
No, I haven't.
Okay, but you have VS Code, right? You are.
Yes, I do. Yes.
All right, good, fine. And hi, Abdullah, are you following us?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, thank you. So good.
I've not done HTML before. This is my
Fine.
first time.
Fine. Let's just do something small. Yeah, let's just do something small. So this is a programming language, but later I'll tell you why this is not a programming language. But for now, let's just assume this is a programming language. There are several programming languages in the world. There's C Sharp, there's Golang, there's Java, there's I think it's like Favor. Correct me if I'm wrong. Favor, you can come in or Favor in case there's more context to be added to whatever I'm saying. So HTML is one programming language. It is not an actual programming language. I don't want to keep saying that because I don't want to confuse you now. But later you see why it's not a programming language. But for now, let's assume it's a programming language. Okay, you've done this now. Let's now do something else. Nifemi. Hold on, give me a second.
There's a fly.
Is it fly?
Yeah. On the couch.
Saw it on the couch. Okay. All right. So let me do this in 1 second. Um, okay, so let's do this, right? Let's do you all use social media where you have to log in and do this and that, right? So let's create a quick login page where you can see something. So Nifemi, from your hello world, good morning, right? Let's remove that hello world and good morning. Let's call it log into your account. So let's do something like this. Let me see which page. Let's just do which popular this thing has one login now. If I do anything on my phone on my this night, I want to log in, and I'm sure you might be logging to some socials. So I'm trying to think of something that must ask you to log in first. Maybe like a banking application. Yes. Let me see. Bank English. Union Bank. Standard banking. Okay. I'm going to give you a page where we can go. Let me see pages with login. Pages with login. Okay, yeah, let's do this. This is better. I'm going to send something to our this thing now. So Nifemi, I sent something to that WhatsApp, right? If you can open it up, if you can click on that thing and just let it show here so that we all can see. Everybody can open it too. Thank you. Good one. Now, what I was going to just do is just simple. See, you can close that pop-up thing, that chat pop-up thing that is by the acceptor. Look at this thing that is showing all our meeting by the right. You can close it, just close it. Click on that close button. Yeah, you still be in the meeting. It's fine. No, just click your hand. So scroll down. So we're going to do this. We're going to do just the form for now. Create an account. We're going to do the first name, last name, email, password, and button. Let's just do something small. So now go back to your VS Code. Yes. So that log into your account. Let's call it create your account. Okay. Now, let me show you something funny. Now, if you click on save it, Command S. Command S. Now, if you go to the next, okay, go to your browser and refresh. Good. You can see this one there. It's not looking like anything that we have. That's fine. We have to work from a case of, we have to do the work, do the dirty work, see why it's not, this is this thing, and then you now see this thing. Now go back to your VS Code. Now, in the next, click on next line now. Now do so. Let's want to create that. Want to create the next thing there is the entry field, right? Right, Nifemi? If you go to that and this thing Safari, the next one there is the already have an account, login. Let's do that one. Already have an account, comma, login. Okay. Did it show in your page? Did it show in your page? No, you have not saved it. If you refresh now, you see, you not see anything here. Try and refresh and see. Oh, it showed? Okay, let me see. Have you saved?
Yes, I saved.
You saved. Oh, okay, that's fine. Sometimes, another is there are sometimes when you do something, you say, it's not working. Now realize that you've not saved. Okay, I already have an account login, but you can see that it's not going to the next line, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is why it's not going to the next line. It's very simple, and this is just the idea I'm trying to give. I put a link in the WhatsApp channel, in the WhatsApp group as well. If you click on that link and open it here, it's called w3schools.com. Yes, everything that you need is there, meaning that you don't need to cram anything, you don't need to put anything in your head at all. So one of the things you are missing is look at this H1. Look at this line where they wrote this is a heading, and then the second line where they wrote this is a paragraph, right? If you look at it, this is the heading is within this H1. The H1 starts and it ends, right? You can see the H1 start and it end, right? Then you can see the second line that has this is a paragraph. It has P in that curly, in that angle brackets. You can see the P. There's P at the left-hand side, and then there's P at the right-hand side. But the P at the right-hand side has that slash, yes. So that means that is the end of that. So it's just simple to say, so it's giving that thing an instruction to say when you see this is a heading, and it has H1 at the beginning and at the end, it means something. when you see P, it also means something. So if you go back to your VS Code, now that creates your account. Do H1 at the beginning and at the end. Okay, so that's VS Code helping you. That's fine. We'll know more about it later. Just do it manually for now. Good. Now go to the first H1. Remove the first. Remove the the backward slash in the Just put H1. Yeah, that's fine. Now already have an account. Do P there. Open the bracket. Open that angle bracket. Yes, yeah, that's fine. Good. Do it at the other one too. Yes, just delete that. Yes, that's good. Now save it. Now open it, go back to your browser. Voila. You can see what happened, right? Okay, good. So you have given a program. You have written a code now. This is a code that is saying when you say create your account, do it like this. When you see already have an account login, take it to the next line. That's all. You've written your first program, Nifemi. How many people are here? Let's switch another person's screen. Can we switch another person's screen? Who is ready? Who is following? Who has done what? I want this to be hands-on. I want someone to, to get their hands dirty as well. Anybody? Should I call name? Okay, I'll call name. Tell me, are you up to speed? Adewale, are you up to speed?
I'm actually connected with my phone, so I have to connect with my laptop then.
Okay. Mr. Babalola, are you up to speed? Can you share your screen? Can you get your hands dirty and
I don't have the HTML on my VS Code. I don't know how she got it.
then it's perfect then. Let's get your hand dirty and so that you know how it's done. Can you share your screen and let's go, yeah? Good. So just open your VS Code, yeah. Leave this one, no problem. Just leave it. Just leave it. Go to file at the top. File at the top, yeah. Click on new file. Yeah, just click on text file is fine. Yeah. Just click on that select a language. Yes. This is not how I should teach you actually. No, don't let me teach you this way. Let me teach you the basic way. Let me teach you the basic way. Let me teach you the basic way. Just go to your you're using a Mac. Okay. Go to your finders. Go to your finders, yeah. Anyway, desktop is fine. Desktop. Just go to desktop. Yeah, right click and just click new file. Create a new file. How do you create new file in Windows in Mac for this Mac operating system? This is one reason I don't like Mac. Okay. How do you create file in Mac? Hope it's not by command line. I want something simple. Mac GUI. Oh, okay. Oh, see, that's why Mark is just annoying. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. If you go to, if you create a new file, let's just do it simple for now. If you go to text edit, click on search your text edit. Is a program. No, you do command space. Yes, text edit. Okay, click on it. Yes, now new document. Is that new document? Well, put it on your wait, sorry, that's on your iCloud. Put it on your desktop. Close,
How do I do that?
close this guy.
Okay.
Go back to text edit again. That's it down.
Yeah.
Left. It's close. Do that command space again.
Okay.
Text edit, yeah. That's it there. Click on it again. Now see, these guys want to save in your iCloud. Look at it. It says text edit.
Oh, okay.
So select your, just by your left, see your desktop there.
Okay.
So click the desktop, it's fine. Now click on new documents.
Okay.
Good. Just type anything and just say save it. It's fine. Just save it.
Where do I save? How do I save?
That file, go to that file at the top.
Okay.
Look for save.
Okay. I've saved.
Yeah, just click on save. Doesn't matter. Just anyone is fine. Yeah. Just click on save. It's fine. Now go to your desktop. You see, where is the file? That's it at the right hand side.
Oh, yes.
Now right click on it and do rename. Rename. So let's rename it to let's have it under HTML at the end. No, just put it login.html.
Okay.
Enter. Just click on enter. Yep. Use HTML.
Okay.
Fine. So now you have an HTML. Now double click on it. Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Okay.
Now open it on your VS Code now. So if you go back to the file, yes, okay, from here. Yes, click on file.
Okay.
Open. Go to that open. Yeah. So go to your desktop. Yep. Click on that. Yes. Yep.
And open.
Yep. Yes. Just
Open.
that's your system, so you can trust your system. It's fine.
Okay.
Now delete everything here. Just delete everything. Okay. Now just type hello again. Let's see. Okay. Save it. Yeah. Go back to your Finder
Okay.
and just right click, open it on the browser.
How do you mean I should open it on a browser?
So double click it.
Okay.
No, double click that login.html.
Okay, I've got it here.
Yeah, so it's opening a browser.
Okay.
So if you go back to your VS Code, so
Yeah.
this is what I want to teach you guys. Wait, so let's work fast now.
Okay.
See that your VS Code, look at that green, this is on your VS Code. If you put your mouse over it, see that tile window to the left of screen, click it. Good.
Okay.
Now, click on your browser. That one, that in your browser, yeah, click it. So now your screen are shared.
Yeah.
The switching context. So
Okay.
one thing I want all of you to know is there's very fast way to do something, and there's the normal way to do it.
Mm.
You guys would everything you are doing now, because we're coming from the beginning, will seem slow and fast, but it's important that we go through all those phases. Very, very important that we go through all those phases. But there is even faster way of doing everything. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to even switch, there's a way you can switch with Command Tab. You switch and you're fine. Do you understand?
Okay.
All right. Now, what we did, that thing that Nifemi showed, right? Do you have it on your side too? Login. No, the UI example that Nifemi showed. Yeah, that one.
This one, yes.
That's good. So that's create an account and then already have an account login. You to do the same thing there. No, so from your VS Code, do it from your VS Code. Do create an account.
So I need to use those angle and
Yes, exactly. Since you're following, good.
please correct me. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing.
Okay, now to know
Oh, okay.
whether you are doing the right thing, it's not rocket science.
Yes.
That other link I shared, the W3 schools, open it as well. w3schools.com, I think.
Okay.
Okay, now, so what this thing is doing, if you look at it, it is telling you how to do what you want to do. So for
Yeah.
if you by the left-hand side, this is just an introduction.
Okay.
This part is actually very important, but we'll come back to this. Not now, we'll come back to the example explain section. We'll come back to this section. It's very important. Okay, scroll down in that example explain. See that example explain there. Yeah, scroll down. It's okay. Yes. Now see what they said in their example explain, the second to the last and the last bullet point there. They say the H1 element defines a large heading. The P defines a paragraph. Simple. So it means anytime you want to do a paragraph, you just have to use that guy.
Okay.
So everything you need is here. You don't need to put anything in your head at all.
Okay. Okay.
In programming, don't put anything in your head. There's
Mm.
documentation. You just have to go to the documentation and say, how do I do this thing? They will tell you, and you just do it. It's just that because you've done it a lot of time, you find out that you don't need to ask again. You just know, oh, how do I do
Just
exactly. Everything is on the left-hand side.
okay.
Everything that you need is on that left-hand side. Look at the HTML basic, HTML elements, attributes, headings, paragraph. Some you don't need now. Some you don't. You understand? So just take it little by little.
Okay.
So this should answer your question.
Yeah.
You're right. Am I doing,
Sorry, how did you show me to split the screen again? I don't remember.
So click on the window. Yeah, no, click on the window. Let it be at the forefront. The window that yes, exactly. You see that green will be highlighted. Put your mouse on it. No, don't click it. You
Sorry.
just put your mouse on it.
Yeah.
Exit full screen.
Okay.
Now put your mouse on it. Put your mouse on it very well. Click
Okay.
Now click on the and then click on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, so from here you can even just be looking at it and be doing it, looking at it and doing it. So we unfortunately are at the end of 8 o'clock. Although we didn't start early, but sorry about that. Favor, do you have anything to jump in and add? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I want you guys to create that login screen using that W3 schools. I want you to look at this and create it, right? With using that W3 schools. It's not even just look at it. What do I need? If you look at that W3 school, it will just tell you this is what you do. And then we just do it. You've gotten your hands dirty now. Babalola, Nifemi, you've gotten your hands dirty. Temi, I hope you're also getting your hands dirty.
I'm getting there.
Okay. Abdullah, how about you? Are you getting your hands warmed up?
Somehow, I'm following.
Okay, good. So I want you guys to do just this page with this thing. Do you understand? Again, I would just like in school where they will not. Well, this is an holding, but of course we cannot unload you every step. We'll give you like in school now when they give you like they'll give you the example in class and then they'll not give you homework, and then the homework will now be more than the example that they gave you in class. Are we? This is like that, but it's not really like that because I'm giving you expo. The expo is in that W3 school website. Just look at it. I want to do this. Just do it. Just to get your hands dirty and to make us move a little bit faster as well. So our next class, we will review what we've done, and then we'll just move on to the next thing. So this is an example of this is the beginning of coding. Right? This is the beginning of coding. With this, you can be able to say, okay, you've done your first front end web page, and then we'll continue from there. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any blocker right now that I can untangle? You can ask now, or you can ask on the group. There are some things that you might find difficult. Please just ask on the group. If you don't want to ask, if you want to look at the W3 schools, that's also perfect. But trust you me, you have questions. Ask on the group. It's better to ask on the group so everybody can, you can learn.
Okay, it's not much of a question, but it's much like, can we have the recordings? Because everybody has the opportunity to join the meetings every time, so we can always follow up and check back on what we've learned. Thank you.
We'll put the recordings on our YouTube channel, right? And then we'll share the link so you can look at it from there. Okay. Okay, Adewale, does that answer your question?
Yes, perfect. Thank you very, very much.
We'll put the recording on our YouTube channel. We'll share from there. Please look at it from there, and so please let us just do this thing, and so that we'll make sure that our next class, we got our hands dirty. We'll spend the first 15 minutes to talk about your experience, right? What your experience, your questions, and then we'll now move to the next one. But if you can just do this, I promise you, coding will become something, will start becoming way easier because you understand that this is just about giving instruction to that thing, that on this line, I want you to do this. On that line, I want you to do this. Have you done it? Yes. Move on to the next line. That is all. So if you can do this and know what you are doing, it don't use ChatGPT or don't use AI, please. If you use AI, you're doing yourself. You're not getting the background knowledge that you need. You need the background knowledge so that you can comfortably use AI. So by the time AI will finish everything, you know what it's doing. This is getting your hand. That's why I say hands-on coding. So please let's do it, and by next week we shall spend the first 15 minutes to see where we are, and then we'll move to the next one. And also please try and tell your friends, everybody, to join more next week. We need more people so that we can, because we would like you guys in each group to group yourself and actually like also go through this as well. Do you understand? Because later on, we're going to give you guys different parts to build, not just one. You understand? Oh, group this, you have maybe you're building the login page. Group this, you're building the create account. Group this, you're building the dashboard. Group this, you're building this. That way, we're all working as a team, and we'll see how we are actually going to build a real production application together here. We will see how the team will perform, and then you know why. We'll also see why it didn't perform well. Do you understand? All right, then, guys. Any last question? Any other comment from anybody? No? None? Awesome. All right. Thank you, guys. And next class will definitely be on time, 7. And please, like I said, let us get our hands dirty, okay? Have a nice day. Good night.
All right. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Right.
Well done. Thank you.